G'day folks, I'm Eddie Wu, maths teacher and host of WooTube. I've served up 160 million minutes of online maths lessons, and I've seen firsthand the huge difference the internet can make to a kid's education.
Like this, because remember, the length is x, right? You see it?
But only if they can access it. Sadly, 1 in 6 young Australians live in poverty. And with modern education often reliant on the internet, many young people are being left behind. That's why I'm here. Because Optus is partnering with charities like the Smith family on the Donate Your Data initiative. Optus customers can now donate some of their data to those who need it most. So how much of a difference can we make? Well, quite a lot actually. If 1 gig of data equals about 3.8 hours of online video, and if just half of my 700,000 subscribers donated 1 gig each, that would be equal to 350,000 gigs, which is over 1 million hours of access to my maths lessons. And it doesn't just stop at maths. Regular internet access can help kids in need learn, create, and connect with the world around them. It's super simple. If you're on an eligible Optus mobile plan, go to your My Optus app and donate your data today. Together, we can power their potential.